Hello everybody, today we make homemade tortellini. Okay, for the dough we need the flour, oil, salt, eggs, and water. For the fill I got pecorino cheese, ricotta, zest, lemon, nutmeg, salt, and parsley. And look how beautiful look this parsley is from my garden. Okay, now we started with the dough for the tortellini. And we got over here 2 cups flour. Now I got a pinch of salt over here, teaspoon. I got 1 tablespoon oil. And I put right over here. And I got 3 eggs. Now, so I don't got enough with the eggs the dough I make. I got some of the water and I can mix it together. Okay, now I put the eggs in the flour. Let me wash my hand. I gotta mix by hand this. Okay, now we mix the dough. And we start. You see the eggs, you know, it's not really big eggs this. But so I need a little water. I put a little water. You see, already I need a little drop of water, but not too much. Okay, now let's see what I reach now. After I mix like this, I want to put on my board. I gotta mix really, really good. And thank you very much for my board. A lot of compliment I got. A lot of people like. Okay, now I'll put this right over here. And I want to mix on the board over here by hand now. Okay, now the dough, it's all mixed nice. Everybody say a beautiful look. And we put on a wrap paper over here. And we leave it stay about 10 minutes like this. Cause now I gotta prepare the fill for the tortellini. And I keep this right over here in the dish like that. And we put this on the side. Okay, now we gotta start for the fill for the tortellini. And I got over here the ricotta. Boom. I got a nutmeg. And we put a little bit over here. And this is done. Pinch of salt. Lemon zest. And this, it gives so good taste, the fresh flavor. Okay. Now, we got a parsley. And I got some pecorino cheese. Oh, it smells so good already, this pecorino romano. Okay, now we give a nice mix. And se you don't got a pecorino, you can use a Parmigiano cheese. Okay, now the mix is done. Okay, we put it right over here. And now we gotta start with the dough. Okay, now this is the dough I gotta fix. I put a little flour on the top. I want to cut it on 4 pieces. And look how beautiful color I got the dough. Okay, I use 1 piece for now, and the rest I put right on this. I don't want to be dry. And I cover everything to stay nice wet like that. And I put right. And now we start with 1 piece. And I do like that. And we start with the machine on number 1. And you pass a couple of times on number 1 to mix the dough a little bit. And we start to do number 2, little flour. Number 3. At 3, it make it more thin. And we do 4. Little flour. Okay, now this I put on number 6, but before I put on number 6, I want to cut a little piece to see how thin it come. Okay, it's good. Number 6, it's good for the tortellini. And I pass now on number 6. I don't want to put on number 7, but what I do, I pass 2 times on number 6. Okay, now we cut it. I gotta make the shape for the tortellini. We take this piece out. Not throw away this. Keep, can you use this? We cut this piece over here. And we cut this other piece over here. And now we cut on the middle, like this. Okay. And now it's the time to make the shape how big you want for the tortellini. You got a big square for the feel I gotta do. I got the bag, I cut a little bit, like this you can work much better the feel of the tortellini. And I put it right over here inside, like this. And now it's a time, and you put a little bit each one. And look how nice it come out, look. Okay, now you got wet all the way around. I use the water, but you can use eggs if you want. And I water wet like this with a finger. But you got a brush, you can use the brush. I wet this, okay, you gotta stick together inside. Because you know wet, it no stick. Okay, now this is ready to go, but if you got too much ricotta, you can take it out. Now you take it out like this, and you make sure to keep like that, okay? You gotta stick it together. You take with a finger, you put it on the middle like that, and you snap, and you close like that. fold like a triangle, like this. You stick, snap it together, you got a pinch underneath. Okay, the tortellini, it's all done, but now I want to cook some. I was make good sauce today with my homemade tomato sauce. And now we go right on the stove, the water boil, salt in the water, and this I got it for me. I make, I eat. Okay, the water boil, and let's go to tortellini. Now, the tortellini, you gotta cook about 4 minutes. After, look at that what I got. My homemade sauce right there, like this. Tortellini ready to go. Turn off the gas, and we drain. Make sure the drain is good. After, you gotta put on my homemade sauce. Oh, look how beautiful it look. Look good. With the one I eat, it look much better. Now, I gotta scoop it in. Look a nice sauce. It do like this. Really good. Now, we go, and I want to taste. Let's pour a little pecorino cheese. Look how beautiful, look at this pecorino cheese. All right, now, I don't want to miss something everybody asks. Pasquale, what happened to my Oye baby? Let me tell everybody, Oye baby, it's the hot pepper. I don't care what kind of the pepper, Italian long hot pepper, it's my Oye baby. Now let's taste the tortellini. With a fresh ricotta, it's the zest of the lemon, a fresh everything, the pecorino cheese, it's really good. And with the Oye baby, it tastes much, much better. And I want to say to everybody, I hope somebody make this tortellini. And I want to say, salute e cin cin to everybody. A salute. And we see next time. Cin cin. Thank you very much.
Where'd you get that machine from?
This?
Yeah.
No, what do you call that place that you buy everything?
Amazon?
Yes, say Amazon.
No, look at that box.
That's not Amazon. That's like 85 years ago.
This is from Italian store.
It's from New York, this.
From New York.
Mulberry Street.
It's from Mulberry Street?
Yeah. It was Italian market.
I got not to make sets, what do you call it? Set?
Lemon zest.
Lemon zest